Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to get a promotion code for Temu equivalent to $100. It's a very simple process, so let's get started. The first thing we'll do is open our browser. In the search engine, type coupon follow and press enter. In the search results, click on the first result, which should be the coupon follow site. Once on the coupon follow page, we will click on the page's search bar located at the top. Type Temu and press enter. Select the Temu result and you will see several promotional code offers. Look for the offer that says get $100 off your order and click on this offer. After clicking, the promotional code will appear. The last thing we have to do is copy this code. Now, you just have to paste this code in your next purchase on Temu, and that's it. You have $100 off your order. It's that easy. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to like it, subscribe, and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any of my tips and tutorials. Leave your questions in the comments, and I'll be happy to help you. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.